Good afternoon, Julie Kennedy here, General Manager with Grand Rapids Public Utilities, and a recap of our last commission meeting for the year of 2020. It's Wednesday, December 16th. We had a full commission here in attendance, however they were virtual, as we have been meeting virtually here for the past few months. Typical agenda items here for the end of the year. Our budget was approved and passed for 2021, so we'll be looking at some new capital investments here moving forward for our utility systems and our infrastructure in 2021. One of the items of discussion today that we looked at was a discussion on hardness at our water treatment plant. We often get customer calls with respect to weight scaling that may occur on fixtures. And so wastewater manager Steve Matson talked quite a bit about water hardness and when it may or may not make sense to have a water softener personally at your place of business or home. So feel free to watch the video and get some information on that, or you can always call our office and get additional information on that. It is a balance here between our hard water, extremely hard water that comes out of our deep wells, and the balance of cost as far as softening that. And so we do bring it to a deliberate level of 7 as far as hardness goes, and that's a balance between cost and hardness, or softness, if you will. So feel free to contact us with any questions on that. In addition, our office will remain closed here for the next few months. We do not have an open date. In working with our customers, we do feel that we have provided just about every opportunity that we can as far as payment or questions. We are available online. We do have a front vestibule area where there is a speakerphone and a drop box and an ability to pay online. So customers, if you have any questions with respect to payments or not being able to pay, certainly feel free to contact our office, 326-7024. You can come in and speak with a customer service representative remotely in the vestibule area, and we also have flyers out there. But our offices do continue to remain closed until our numbers start to get back in check here. With that, I think our year is done as far as commission meetings. Our next regular meeting will be Wednesday, January 13th, 2021. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, have a great month.